If you've hopped onto the crypto wave, you've most definitely had to have heard about staking. Whether in relation to Ethereum or smaller coins like Cardano, Polkadot, or Solana, staking is becoming more and more mainstream for investors. Staking involves putting some of your holdings of the blockchain's native coin aside. For example, on the Ethereum blockchain, its native token, Ether, can be staked. The more holdings you stake has its advantages. Staking more offers higher chances to be assigned a task. The blockchains use the proof-of-stake system, which assigns a computer at random to carry out certain tasks. Tasks usually involve processing transactions, validating information, etc. Similar to mining, when a task is completed, it comes with a reward. When staking crypto, part of your wallet is being offered up to the blockchain for a certain period of time. It is your money and is available to unstake whenever, but usually can't be done immediately. Now, with some blockchains, a minimum amount of native coin is needed to begin. Sticking with our first example, on the Ethereum blockchain, a minimum of 32 ETH is required to start staking your crypto. That's currently worth over $80,000. But there are easier, accessible alternative cryptos like Cardano, where the minimum is only 1 ADA. 1 ADA is valued around 86 cents at the time of writing. There are plenty of rewards and advantages to staking your crypto. On some blockchains, interest is accumulated when staking your coins. Interest could come from payments for completing tasks, or some blockchains give a certain percentage of interest per year of the specific coin being staked. Compared to mining, staking is environmentally friendlier. Only one computer utilizes energy to complete tasks. The more people stake their coin, the more efficient the blockchain runs. Quick and efficient blockchains attract investors, leading to price rises beneficial for you and other holders. Many blockchains also offer voting rights, a say in decisions being considered for the blockchain that would include updates in future plans. Staking is gaining attraction all over the entire market as it's viewed as a form of passive income. Streams of income being made all while you sleep. Some popular cryptocurrencies available to stake on the big exchanges include Cosmos, ATOM, Tezos, XTZ, and Cardano, ADA. Despite the controversy, it is possible to earn passive income staking crypto. Returns will depend on the method and blockchain chosen and the amount of crypto you have to start. To be fair, given the volatility of the crypto market, there's no guarantee that any strategies are automatic gains. So what's everyone's thoughts on staking? A rule of thumb that we like to go by: don't invest what you can't afford to lose. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future investor content. Thanks for watching.